here's what I'm thinking. I've had a couple people contact me and they want commercial drone real estate footage. And since I can't do that right now without a license, maybe I should get my commercial drone license, start a little side hustle. That's what I'm gonna do. Got a couple hours, see if I can knock this out. Time to learn. Well, I literally just finished the training and just under 15 minutes. So now I'm going to exit out of this, take the written test. If all goes well, I'll be a commercial drone pilot. It's kind of nice taking a test that if I don't pass it, it's not a huge deal. Okay, I think I'm done. That was actually a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I had to do a little searching into some advisory circulars, and there's some stuff about aircraft performance that came pretty natural to me, having been a commercial pilot for a little while. But some of the stuff I had to look up. Alright, so I answered all the questions, ready to grade the exam. I'm actually a little bit nervous that I might fail this, but we'll see. Okay, let's do this. One or more of your answers were incorrect. View the questions below for the answers marked incorrect and resubmit your exam. My exam score was 94%. Yeah, that's pretty good, huh? I think it's probably better than I've done on any of my aviation exams. Alright, so I only got 2 wrong. That's pretty good. So I corrected those 2. Do it again. One or more of your questions was incorrect. I'm up to 97% now. There's only one more option. The question I got wrong. Great exam one more time. Congratulations, you have successfully passed the exam. Your exam score is 100%. Under 45 minutes I've been sitting down here. Now I just got to have my buddy sign me off and fill out the application. Now I'm a commercial drone pilot. So, if you have any commercial drone needs, I'm your guy. Thanks for watching, thanks for hanging out. See you next week.